М-80М meat grinder with reverse mode. The M-80M meat grinder is produced in two options. For voltage 220 or 380 volts. Output is minimum 80 kilos per hour. Engine capacity is 0.75 kilowatts. The M80M is equipped with a total kit of Unger knives. Diameter of the plates is 60 millimeters. The meat grinder is produced with stainless steel lining. Reverse mode is a distinctive feature of the M80M. By switching on reverse mode, it is possible to return the product into the loading neck and reprocess it, or to remove the product completely from the grinder without dismantling the unit knives plates auger. M80M meat grinder. Preparation for use. Install the body and fix it with fasteners. Insert the auger into the body up to the stop. Auger shaft must seat in the housing of the driven mechanism. Depending on the required type of grinding, set knives and plates in the following sequence. M80M meat grinder. Basic complex. Place a cutting plate into the body with its wide edge towards the knife so that the notch of the plate could easily move to the key, which is locked in the body of the grinder. Put a double-bladed knife onto the auger with its blades towards the rotation of the auger, counterclockwise. Insert a grinding plate with 9mm holes in diameter into the body. Put on the second double-bladed knife onto the auger. Insert a grinding plate with holes of 5 or 3 mm in diameter into the body. Install the lock ring into the body. Screw on the cap so that the cutting plates are pressed to knives tightly, then back off the cap 1/4 turn. Coarse grind complex. Put a cutting plate into the body. Put a double-bladed knife onto the auger with blades towards the rotation of the auger counterclockwise. Insert a grinding plate with 9mm holes in diameter. Install 2 lock rings into the body. Screw on the cap as indicated above. It is allowed to use a complex that consists of a cutting plate, a double knife, a grinding plate with holes of 5mm in diameter and 2 lock rings. Install a loading tray into the meat grinder body. Enable the driven mechanism by turning the switch to start position. Keep screwing on the cap until you hear a slight noise in the reducer and feel increasing resistance. Press stop button to switch off the driven mechanism. Grinding instructions. Enable the driven mechanism by turning the switch to start position. Evenly push product from the loading tray with a plunger to the rotating auger. Collect ground product into a prepared container. Dry run of the meat grinder without uploaded product for a long period is not allowed because dry friction causes a quick breakdown of knives and cutting plates.